here I'm going to show you how to generate quality graphic designs using Leonardo AI and ChatGPT. Now, here are the things that we did. First thing, we went to ChatGPT. We told ChatGPT the kind of design that we want, and we wrote to ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT generated a prompt for us. And we also let ChatGPT know that we are going to be using Leonardo AI to create it, so you can know how we'll be able to relate with Leonardo AI using the prompts. So he gave us the prompt. We collected the prompt from ChatGPT and went to Leonardo AI. I pasted the prompt there. Then we were able to generate a high quality graphic designs, flyer designs using the Leonardo AI. All right. So with these two particular platforms, ChatGPT and Leonardo AI, you can use to generate high quality flyer designs. Now, this is what we did. So the first thing you want to do is to sign up to your Leonardo AI. So I'm going to go there and try to sign up. So here we have options. Either we'll sign up through Gmail or use Apple, or you can even use Canva. So I'm going to use Gmail to sign up. Go ahead, click on my first Gmail. Click on continue. So it's going to go ahead and load up. Alright, as you can see, these are the things that Leonardo AI have to offer us. You can use it to create image. You can go ahead and use it to create video. So this is a new feature. The 3D is a new feature. You can use blueprints, flow state, upscale, and then we can draw with it. So all these are different features. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to look at this image generation. We're going to be using to generate our image. So first thing you have to do, you have to go back to your ChatGPT. Now we're going to write as a graphic designer. So I need a prompt for Leonardo AI. So we have to be specific about the AI we're going to use. Give me a prompt for an affiliate marketing masterclass. All right. So with the topic, affiliate millionaires. The subtitle of that particular topic will be how to make money online 2026. All right. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add that it should have a lot of cash on the design. All right. And use an attractive color. So this design is going to be very, very, congested. That's what I want. Just to let you know that Leonardo AI can actually design, has so many write-up, and not the write-up will be correct. Most AI app cannot give you so many write-up that are correct. They will be making mistakes, but we're going to go ahead and design a very congested design with a lot of write-up. So this is what it gives to us. Say design a high converting modern flyer for an affiliate marketing masterclass. Here's the main headline. All right. How to make money. Or as you can see, now one special thing that ChatGPT will do for us. You can see this is the layout that is given to the. All right. This is a negative prompt. All right. So in case you want a negative prompt, you're going to make everything blurry, low quality, dark color. So ChatGPT gave us an option, but we don't need anything like this. We are grateful, but we don't need it. All right. We'll just go ahead and copy what we need. We're going to go ahead and copy it from here to the top. As you can see, that's the layout. You can go ahead and edit this write-up that ChatGPT gives to you. In case there's something you don't like here, you can always edit it. They are not 100% perfect. All right. We're going to go back to our Leonardo AI after copying that. All right, I'll go ahead and click on this image generation, and then I'm going to paste it on my image prompt. So once I paste it, it's going to start. All right, you're going to give me a place where I will put my prompt, as you can see up there. All right, so my image dimension is 1.1, which is going to be like 4 corner, like the all corners are going to be in the same quality, almost like a cube. All right. So it's neither landscape nor portrait. So we're going to go ahead and put in our prompt and wait for it to generate. So Leonardo AI usually take between 20 seconds to 30 seconds to generate. Right, but I think it's kind of fast today. Right, so we already have our design. Here, this is our design layout. Affiliate millionaires, that's the title. Let me go ahead and zoom it in. Now you can see that there's so many things on the background, so many write-up. Is because this is the prompt we give to ChatGPT that should make it. There should be a lot of money on the image. I mean, It's not a simple image. We didn't give it a simple image. So I just want to let you know that Leonardo AI can actually put a lot of write-up on your design without making any mistake. Right? You can check it one after the other. All the write-up, all the spellings are 100% correct, and there is no mistake with it. Unlike some other AI app that usually make mistake in prompting, writing things to design. It is one of the best graphic app that you can see out there. So now I'm going to go ahead and reprompt it. I want to paste the prompt again. Right, because this time around I want to add something to it. Right, because I want the presence of a human on that particular design. So like I said before, you can always reprompt it. You can always go ahead and prompt it again. So I'm just going to type some things out here. Let me zoom it in. All right, so I already added, I say add a surprise young man to the design to get presence of human in it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and correct that, the young man, and to get a presence of humor in it. I'm going to go ahead and correct that statement. Don't forget that you have to make sure that your statement is correct so that you can understand exactly what you want. AI is a garbage in, garbage out kind of program that they actually react according to. Right? They don't have mind of their own. They actually react according to what you ask them to do. So if you're making any mistake, they're not going to correct you. They're going to go ahead and just, bring out the mistake for you like that. So you're going to wait for it to load. It's going to load out. Right now you can see the difference. Now he has to re-edit the design and look for how to put in somebody there. Let me go ahead and zoom out this screen so that you can see. Now you can see the design. This is the former design. This is the new design. Now you can see there's a slight difference in it. This one is even more beautiful. You have to remove some things from the background. You know, have to place that human being there, the surprise, guy looking at the phone, right? So this is the simple way you can create. This is the simple way you can create your flyer. You can create your design using Leonardo AI. All right. If you want to know more of this, you want to know more how to create, how to use AI, make sure you subscribe to this particular channel, as I'm going to be diving in deep on how to use Leonardo AI and some other apps which are very, very important. All right. So we're going to go ahead and preview this particular image that we designed so far. So go ahead and preview it and see. I'm still trying to look for errors. I've used so many AI apps to design and they usually come with a lot of errors. So I'm going to see whether I can get any errors from this particular. So that proved my point that Leonardo AI still remains one of the best AI apps that you can use to create your flyer design. So just in case you are contemplating of which particular AI app you're going to be using to create your flyer designs, I think Leonardo AI wins that. I think it's the number one on that chart. So I'll see you in my next class.